Have you ever wondered why you crack your knuckles? Today, we're debunking the myths and exploring the science behind this common habit. What causes the cracking sound? When you crack your knuckles, you're creating bubbles in the synovial fluid of your joints. Is knuckle cracking harmful? Contrary to popular belief, there's no evidence that knuckle cracking leads to arthritis. Why people crack their knuckles? Relief of tension, habitual behavior, sensory pleasure. When to be concerned? While knuckle cracking is generally harmless, pay attention to your body. If you experience pain or swelling, consult a healthcare professional. So, the next time you crack your knuckles, don't worry about causing harm. Just enjoy the satisfying pop. Subscribe for more health tips and let us know if you have any other questions.